Friday morning in the gym, here we are. So we've got our shoulder workout, last weight workout of this incremental cycle in week 6. And week 6, we are on military press for Fridays, and military press will see a 5-pound increase to 80 pounds, and that will be our culmination of the incremental cycle. Let's see what our shoulders can do. Like I said last week, the hard part for me on the shoulder workout, especially this military press, is just getting started. Once I get started, I can usually get it going. It's just getting that movement started. So like I said, we got 80 pounds. 80 pounds we're gonna do. I'm just gonna do the bar for a set of 5 just to get a little bit of a warm up, and then throw on the 80 pounds and do 4 sets of 8 on that. And then we got 3 sets of 12 of a couple different auxiliaries, the lateral raises and the front raises, and then we're gonna grab the bands and actually I got the bands set up already. So we'll do the external and internal rotations, and then I'll grab the bar and do our shoulder stretch. Then I've got my walk challenge today, so I'll head out on a 3-mile walk, and then we'll come back and chat. So here we go. Let's get this longevity training done. Let's do it. Let's hit this shoulder. Hit it. All right, cycle 3 of 2026 is complete from a weight perspective. We got one more day tomorrow, and that'll complete it all together. So week 6 weight workouts are done. Shoulder workouts went well. 80 pounds was difficult to start, but again, once I got started, I could definitely manage the 8 reps. It was just getting the lift started. So not that it wasn't difficult. The shoulders didn't complain too much from like a discomfort or pain perspective, but yeah, they were able to do what they needed to do. Just I could tell I was leaning back quite a bit to get the old, top of the pecs engaged to help them out. But maybe 80 pounds is a little heavy to do for reps. But yeah, if I was going to torque off 12 or 15 of them, I'd probably do 5-10 pounds less. So anyway, that went well. Auxiliaries went well. The band work was good, and the stretches, of course, stretches with resistance added, that always was good. And the walk got my challenge completed, so I ended up with the 3 miles, 3.1 something. So got the challenge, the Garmin challenge, 3 mile, and I have basically the weekend to do it. I like to get it done on the first day, so I don't have to really worry about it the rest of the weekend. So anyway, got that done. And so tomorrow we'll be out for the ab burner. Hadn't decided yet. I think I said I would add a second routine after the ab burner. I don't know if I'm gonna add that this weekend or not yet. We'll see tomorrow morning or tonight when I put the workout together. I usually put the ab burner standard, so my son doesn't have to really put that together. So I usually work on that one and put it on my schedule. And I'll look at what I had been doing, 6-7 months ago, what I did with the ab burner. It was some dumbbell work, bicep and tricep work. So we'll see if we want to do that or not. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Friday. Have a good weekend. We will see you tomorrow if you want to join in. If not, we'll see you Monday for the first day of week 0 active rest day. Our active rest week. So we'll be doing stretch routines and maybe a couple cardio routines on Tuesday and Thursday. We'll see. I'll see how it feels. So anyway, depends on how much rest I want to get in. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. Have a great weekend. Take care. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Be safe. See ya.